Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $1,000 from this simple Google trick. Now, if you're new to my channel, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It's going to help out my channel and it's going to help out this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about what I'm talking about today. And don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers. And it's just around the corner. I'm almost there. I'm almost there, guys. So please, if you want to get a chance, go ahead and type that hashtag get your grind on in the comments. And what I'm going to do, you saw in the intro, I'm going to pick a comment and that person going to win some money. I might pick 2 comments. So everybody that's watching, put that down in the comments, hashtag get your grind on. All right, guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end because it's some steps you're going to have to take to get this money. So you don't want to miss out. So please watch it all the way through. Don't skip anything. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. I have a couple of websites I'm going to show you here, so bear with me and just pay attention. All right, the first website is Maverick Life. So this website you're going to use to make money writing articles. So let's just look at the categories that this website has. Okay, the categories are, I'm not going to read all of them, but the categories are addiction, appetizers and sides, breads, breakfast, desserts, diet and cooking. And I'm just going to scroll down here and see some other ones that you'll probably be good, that'll be good to write articles for, like household, physical health, relationships, self-improvement, weight management. So those are just some of the categories. It has a lot more on here, but I was just naming a few that you probably want to use to write some good articles for. So once you come to this website, you're going to click up here where it says menu, and you're going to click on writers guidelines. And right here are the guidelines on how to submit and how many words you need to have when you write your article so you can get paid. So it says here, submit completed articles ready for publication. Be sure to include your mailing address, phone number, email address, if applicable, and the rights you are offering. And the manuscript has to be 450 to 650 words. Don't exceed over 1,000. And let's scroll down here and see what else they say about this. So let's go to payment. So payment is made upon acceptance of your article and is based on quality of expression, accurate use of up to date research findings, depth and relevance of content. Payment for articles ranges from $100 to $300. So if you write 2 articles, you can get paid from $200 to $600. And let's just see what else they have on this page here about this website. So basically, they just tell you about specific areas of interest, which is health, exercise, nutrition, self-help. Some important categories you probably want to write articles for. All right. So that's all I'm going to say about this site. So you just come here when you have your article ready. Now, let me go to one other site that's going to pay you to write articles. Okay, I'm at the second website you can use to get paid to write articles. The name of it is Tex Poker. So when you come to this site, you're going to click on menu and you're going to go to I write content. So just click that. It's going to take you to this page. Just explains how to submit your article and how much you're going to get paid. So let's just scroll down here. I'm going to go ahead and go a little bit fast because I got a couple of more sites I want to show you. I don't want to make this video too long. Now, let's just go down to payment. So you're going to click on where it says more information. And right here, it shows you your earnings at a glance. So once you submit your article, they have people that work on this website that's going to look at your article and they're going to give it a rating. So right here is the rating scale. So 2 stars, you're going to get paid 7 cents a word. 3 stars, you're going to get 1 cent a word. 4 stars, you're going to get 1.4 cents a word. 5 stars, going to pay you 5 cents a word. And one more thing here, let me show you. They have a calculator down here. It's going to show you how much you're going to get paid based on your rating. So right here, if you have 2 stars and you have 1,200 words, you're going to get paid $84. 3 stars, you're going to get paid $120. 4 stars, you're going to get paid $168. And 5 stars, you're going to get paid $600. So you can make some good money with this site. Now, you're probably saying to yourself, I'm not a good writer, and that's a lot of words to write for an article. Now, I'm going to show you a trick that you can use on this website where you don't have to write anything at all. So let me go to that website right now. Okay, I'm at this website. It's called Google Docs. So on Google Docs, you'll be able to create a spreadsheet. As you can see here, they got docs, sheets, slides. So you can create a slide show. You can create sheets, which is like Word, where you can create a spreadsheet of anything, anything that you want to put down. And once you create that spreadsheet, you won't have to type anything. They have a voice machine on here. It's going to type whatever you say. So whatever you say, it's going to type it on your spreadsheet. So you won't have to write anything. Now, one more thing I want to show you. Where you're going to get the article from. So you don't have to sit up here and try to come up with all these words and what to say for your article. I'm going to show you where you can get some ideas and basically get whatever you want to know about whatever subject or whatever category you pick. You're going to be able to pull it up and find all the information for you. So let me go to that site right quick. Okay, I'm at the last website, and it's called Quora. Any type of question that you ask on here, you're going to find the answer for it because they have people that answer it for you. So let's say you want to know about health. So let's just type in here health. And as you can see, the questions will pop up and answers and articles. So you can pick one of these articles and use these articles to write your own article. But you don't want to pick the article and write verbatim what they have on there. You want to take some key points in the article and make your own. And you don't have to type it. You just go to Google Docs, recite whatever you want to recite from the article you just found, key points here and there, and then make up your own stuff, put some of your own words, and just speak it into Google Docs, and it'll type it for you on a spreadsheet. So that's it. That's all the steps. So if you want to get started to make this money using Google Docs and using these websites to make money writing articles, just go ahead and go to Maverick Life, Tex Poker, and get started. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, please hit that like button for me and help me to get like 100 likes. That's all I ask, just 100 likes. And drop a comment down below. And don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers. And please guys, share this everywhere on all social media networks all around the internet, because my goal is to help as many people I can to make money online and make money on autopilot. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every day. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you, Grind family. Appreciate your support. Keep supporting the brother, and I'm going to keep dropping this content. All right, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.